Live from the KWQC studio, this is TV6 News at 6.
Let's start with the weather tonight at 6 o'clock, with many of us still catching our breath after that last couple of days of winter weather. As you see the nice sunset out there tonight, leading the way toward what's expected to be a pretty nice weekend ahead in the QCA. Good evening to all of you. Happy Friday. I'm Redrick Terry. Meteorologist Kyle.Dickens is here with us, and I think all of us are breathing a little bit easier after the last 48 or so hours.
What about that shot? That was pretty
beautiful,
nice out
right?
there, right? Yeah, we'll take it. And the warm-up is begun, so that's some good news. Take a look at temperatures right now out there in the viewing area. 26 Princeton, 27 Kewanee. But looking to the south here towards Keokuk and Macomb, we are touching close to 30 or at 30, especially down there in Keokuk. And we factor in that wind. Still have a pretty good wind chill, especially areas to the northwest of the Quad Cities where we do have a good wind or good snowpack in place, causing a good wind chill. 3 is what it feels like right now. Galena, 1 in Dubuque. But progress is going to happen here, folks, in the form of a warm-up as we had overnight. Temperatures steadily warming up. And again, as we go into the day tomorrow, you could still see here really from Princeton, Kewanee, Galesburg, Burlington, and points to the north. That's where that snowpack is. You can see that white haze. It'll pop up here. There we go. That's where the snow fell, and because of that, temperature's a little cooler in those areas. We back out here, high pressure in place, has replaced it with that pesky storm system we had out to the, that's now out to the east here. Here we go. New England states getting in on all that fun action, but for us, clear skies, few clouds as we head later into the night, but look at this. Temperatures steadily increase here as we head into the overnight. Looking to get into the 30s, maybe 40s tomorrow, 40s for sure on Sunday. But active week ahead, we're going to detail it in your first alert forecast coming up.
And now, your first alert forecast with meteorologist Kyle.Dickens.
Well, the sun is setting here in Davenport. Beautiful shot out there looking downriver. Centennial Bridge right there. Clear night and a cool night, no doubt about it, but things are going to be warming up. Here we are above normal temperatures for the weekend. And as we head throughout the night, progressively getting warmer. Dry weekend for most. Very slight rain chance here coming in Saturday night into Sunday for areas east of the Quad Cities. We'll show that with Exact Track here in just a second. The big news is it's going to be an active week ahead. And what does that mean? It means essentially kind of looking like a repeat of what we saw last week, where we have another warm week and then bring in some precipitation chances, either rain or snow as we get later in the week. We'll detail that with your 7-day coming up. Temperatures across the area right now, looking to the north here, 20 Morrison, good evening Rock Falls, 23 for you, 18 Savannah, 20 Galena, Dubuque, and slide into the south here, a little warmer to the south, 28 Macomb, La Harpe, and Roseville at 26, 27 over in Oquaka, looking up here into Bureau, Stark County, 25 Wyoming, and 23 Princeton. And zooming in here to the hometowns of choice here in Clinton County, Comanche and Clinton at 20 degrees. Look over to DeWitt, Charlotte at 19, 20 up there in the Welton area, and Delmar. Western parts of the county, 20 degrees as well. So we're starting to see some progress here, but feel like temperature we still have a little bit of a wind chill, a little bit down south, quite a bit up here in the north where look at that 3-degree feel like temperature right now up in Galena, 1 over in Dubuque. But to the south, we're starting to get that southwesterly wind to help feed in some warm air. High pressure in place here in the Midwest. Nothing to show here. And as we look at Exact Track, we pull through clear skies. A little bit of cloud cover to the northwest as we head throughout the day tomorrow. But here we go. This is right now clocked out at 1 a.m. Saturday night into Sunday. Could see a rain chance east of the Quad Cities. The thing is, even though this is showing up, there's not a lot of moisture for the system, a weak system that's going to be moving in to work with. So we could see a shower, nothing to get worried about, and it's not going to be of any impact. Once that moves through, Sunday's going to look good, but Sunday night we start to bring some cloud cover into the nighttime. Temperatures, we are going to drop very little, more rise as we head throughout the evening than anything. 45 over in Princeton by 4 p.m. tomorrow, 49 Kewanee and Galesburg. Areas to the south look to get to the 50s tomorrow. Here in the Quad Cities, low 40s, upper 30s to the north. And then as we draw throughout the Sunday into, here we are, Sunday 8 a.m. as you're heading to church, it's warm, well above average for this time of year, even in the morning hours. And here we go throughout the day. into the mid-50s to the south and southeast, and areas to the northwest, mid to upper 30s. Very nice day ahead for us. Temperature forecast, here we go. Usually as we head throughout the night, we start dropping, like I said, but here we go up to 6 a.m., 8 a.m., and then by 10 a.m., look at that, in the 30s. So we are definitely going to be melting some of that snow. 7-day forecast. Here's a nice weekend ahead. 42 on Saturday, 46 on Sunday with sunshine and clouds moving in later. And those clouds stick around through Monday. But then again, things are going to get active as we head into late Tuesday, into Wednesday, Thursday, and drop in temperatures as we hit Friday.
All right, Kyle, thank you.
You're watching TV6 News.
Temperatures on the rise tonight as we head into the overnight hours. Look to see temperatures get up into the upper 20s here in the Quad Cities, a little warmer to the south. But look at that, 10 a.m., 34 degrees. We could take that, right? And that's just par for the course as we're looking to get into the 40s tomorrow. Areas to the south could see 50, and Sunday, there chance, depending on how much sunshine we get, we could even touch 50 here in the Quad Cities. 45 on Monday, and then the active week begins as we get into Tuesday night, Wednesday, and just depending on what side of the low pressure we get, we could see another repeat of what we just saw with some snow showers, rain in the area, and then cooler on Friday. But long term, another warm-up looks to be in store for us as we get to the next weekend.
So a whole bunch of deja vu.
Yeah, it's just like copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. Last 3 weeks, right?
But the timing for the weather this weekend could not be better, right?
Like I told Sharon the last hour, I said, you know what? If it means Thursday we get a snowstorm, on Friday we have to recover a little bit, and then come the weekend we get a nice weekend to melt everything. I'm okay with it.
We'll take it.
I'm good with it.
We'll take it, especially for February, right?
Absolutely.
Thanks for joining us at 6. Our hellos tonight come from Alwood Middle High School in Woodhull, Illinois. Hope to see you at 10.